This is a videotape inspection of the Star SB16C CNC Swiss lathe. This has a Fanuc Series 18 ITB control. This is serial number 1430, new in 2005. The program that was in this machine didn't have live tools running, so we have the live tools running right now and spinning at 1000 RPM in MDI. We're going to stop them and then we'll start the program so you can see the axes and the spindles moving. This machine is plumbed for high pressure coolant. It does have a parts catcher. See the turning tools coming down, sub-spindle moving in, right out. It's coming over to do ID drills. Or position for it anyway. We just edited down the program that was in the system so it didn't take so long and you could see the movement. The sub-spindle moving. Come around. On the main spindle side so you can hear it. Again, this is a Star SB16. It does come with a 4-line high-pressure coolant system. And it's also equipped with an IMCA Genius 120 magazine bar loader. This concludes our videotape inspection of this Star SB16C.